Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing here should be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risks before investing.
Yeah, hello and welcome back to another Bitcoin update. So quickly getting started, we have now entered the weekend. Should be pretty low volume for what we expect for the next 2 days for the weekend. Really quickly, like we've been talking about in the last few videos, is this extended wave 4 in a larger WXY structure. Assuming that it could have topped right here, then maybe it could have just been an ABC to the upside. Like we said in the last few videos, everything for this wave 4 has already been completed for this move up here. So technically this is all that we all really need. So technically this wave 4 could have topped here, but we are looking at another scenario of a more complicated WXY to the upside and an ABC for the Y wave, where this was not the wave 4 top, but we'll head back down to support possibly over this weekend with low volume before we have that C wave to the upside. As long as we hold 86,520, more or less, it has to be a big break below, and it has to sustain that break. If it goes a little bit under, then goes back up, then technically it did hold. So 86,520 more or less to 88,210 more or less, where we can bounce off of this support zone to reach 97,862 to 103,229 in this C wave extension, assuming the wave 4 did not top here. If we break below resistance, if we break below support, it's likely this wave 4 already did top here, and we are going to be heading towards a larger support zone, where if we break below that larger support zone, then it could be possible that the start of the wave 5 to the downside, where we can hit 73,000 or lower, more or less, in that 5th wave to the downside. So these are some of the levels that we will be looking for over the weekend. See if we can hold support. If we bounce off support, then we can see if we can start heading towards the larger resistance area. So with the weekend here, I wouldn't really expect too much. Maybe the B wave already topped here and it doesn't need to go any lower. But if you do zoom in on this, technically we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. If we get another wave down, that could be 5 waves down, indicating something more bearish is playing out. As of right now, we only have that 3 wave move down, and now we are in this 4th wave, where maybe it could be a 1, 2 setup for the 3rd wave to the upside before we get a 4 and a 5. Otherwise, this could just be a really weird 4th wave sideways correction before we head lower in that 5th wave. So we'll keep track of that, and it is another thing that we should be looking out for as well. So that's pretty much everything for the support and the resistance and the scenarios that we are looking at right now. If we go over to the RSI, we have headed back down to the neutral on the 4-hour. And like we said in the last few videos, it wasn't surprising to see once we hit overbought to head lower into the correction. We said maybe it doesn't happen right away. In this case, it did happen right away, so it's not surprising to see that at all. If we go to the 1 hour, still in the neutral, and the daily, we have entered back into the neutral after hitting nearly overbought. So here's a chart for More Crypto Online. This is what we've been tracking in a possible extended wave 4. And if we zoom out on it, then this is where we get our ABC pattern from More Crypto Online. So possible A, B, C wave to the upside if the wave 4 did not, in fact, top here. If we break below support, then we can head towards this larger support area, where we can see if we're heading in that 5th wave, or we can hold support and try another extended wave 4. So we will wait and see. All we can really do is just wait and see how the market plays out, see if the resistance is getting rejected with price action, or seeing if support is holding as well. So with the weekend here, I wouldn't really expect anything too crazy. Maybe just some more sideways action before we can head higher, or possibly we go sideways this weekend, break below support, and we start that fifth wave to the downside. So all of it right now is just speculation, and we just have to let the market do its thing and be patient. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.